Silver's epic rally running out of steam? Or is this just the calm before the next major surge? Let's break down what the charts are telling us about XAG/USD. Silver has been on an incredible run, touching 14-year highs and capturing the attention of traders everywhere. The overall feeling in the market is a fascinating mix of long-term bullishness and short-term caution. While many see the fundamental backdrop of strong industrial demand and safe haven appeal as a recipe for higher prices, the recent spike has traders pausing to see what comes next. Looking at the charts, we are at a critical decision point. On the bullish side, many analysts see the current price action as a consolidation before the next leg higher. Elliott Wave patterns suggest one final push is expected before any significant pullback. A decisive break above the recent highs around $39 could signal that the rally has more room to run, with initial targets cited near $41.50. Taking a step back to the bigger picture, some very large-scale patterns are forming. Analysts are pointing to a massive cup and handle formation, which could, in the medium to long term, target the psychological $50 level. If that major resistance is cleared, some are even forecasting a move towards $85 or $100. However, after such a powerful move, caution is warranted. Some traders are looking for a short-term pullback. A failure to hold the $38 level could bring key support zones into play. The first major support to watch is around $37.50, which represents a retest of a previous breakout level. If sellers take control and push the price below that, a deeper correction towards $37 could be on the cards. So let's summarize the key takeaways. First, the long-term sentiment for silver is overwhelmingly positive. Major technical patterns and fundamental drivers are pointing towards significant upside potential down the road. Second, in the immediate term, the market is hesitating. It's a battle between bulls looking for a breakout and bears expecting a healthy correction after a massive rally. And third, specific price levels are your guide. Keep an eye on the $39 resistance level for a bullish breakout and the $37.50 support level for signs of a deeper pullback. Ultimately, silver is coiled for its next big move. Whether it's a breakout to new highs or a dip that offers a new buying opportunity, the action is far from over. Trade smart and watch those levels.